Hello, from Bonnet Pro Next Generation. I'm Elijah Klesnick, and today I'll be sharing with you how Oxy Spotter cleans tough organic stains. For instance, pomegranate juice. I'll be putting it on cotton, protected nylon, and unprotected commercial nylon carpet. In these scoops are approximately 1 ounce of juice, but make sure to stick to the end for an exclusive discount code. Now that it's been able to dry for the past 4 days, we can move on to the next step. But there are 2 things to remember. We're using Oxy Spotter to remove the organic coloring or stain. Then we would use acid lava textile rinse to remove the other components of the pomegranate juice, such as the sugar, water, acid, and trace amounts of minerals. Given the limited duration of application, some residual coloring may still be visible. So then we will wash the fibers, and if any color still remains, we will post-spray and walk away. As I said earlier, there was going to be some remnants of the juice left over, so I'm going to be washing the carpet with the CFR tool because it's the best tool on the market. You can also get this at bonnetpro.com. As promised, you can use the code ELI10 for 10% off your chemical order at bonnetpro.com. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. I enjoyed making the video for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you have an excellent day. Goodbye.